Family therapy refers to a kind of counseling given to members of certain families for resolution of conflicts and enhancement of communication among members. The counseling sessions are handled by social workers, psychologists, or therapists that are licensed. The therapy helps on a short-term basis and may or may not include all members. In going for family therapy for Charlotte FL residents ought to understand what is involved during the sessions. The specific treatment that is chosen depends upon the situation in question. The sessions could teach people skills on how they can deepen connections in the family or get over stressful moments. The skills should be helpful even after the sessions are completed. People that have troubled relationships with their spouses, kids, or other relatives will get assistance. Specific matters like financial or marital problems, effects of drug abuse, and conflicts are also addressed. The therapies may be pursued with other forms of treatment for mental health, especially so for those that have mental illnesses or addictions. For instance, persons can be helped to cope if a relative is suffering from schizophrenia. The person with schizophrenia, however, continues with their individualized treatment. This includes medications and counseling. In the event that there is someone that is suffering from addiction, other people could attend counseling sessions as the affected person undergoes residential treatment. There are instances when other folks participate in the counseling even when the addicted individual has not sought his or her treatment. Thus, situations that cause stress, anger, conflict, or grief will call for such counseling. One would need to be prepared before they start attending sessions. The most important form of preparation required is finding the best specialists. One of the best ways to get the services of the best therapists is seeking referrals from primary care physicians based on their experience. Friends and relatives could also give recommendations. Insurance companies, local mental health agencies, and clergy can also recommend the best psychologists. Before sessions are scheduled with therapists, one ought to confirm that they have the necessary experience and expertise. There are factors to consider in knowing whether the specialist has the right education and experience. This involves checking their education background and finding out whether or not they are licensed. Their offices should be located in an accessible place, in addition to them having a flexible schedule. How long their schedules last and the fees that they charge should be considered as well. The average session goes for roughly 50 minutes or 1 hour. They are supposed to be attended for approximately 6 months. The frequency of sessions depends on the situation being handled and recommendation of the therapist. In the course of the sessions, the ability of the family to resolve conflicts is examined. When looking to go for family therapy for Charlotte FL residents should note that it never automatically solves problems. However, it brings a better understanding among members and offers skills they can use to cope with situations that may be challenging. Thus, expectations should not be too high.